Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez, here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, August 7th, 2012. Alright, Dow up 51 points, up 0.4%, the S&P up 0.5%, NASDAQ up 0.9%, the Russell's up 0.9%, the bank's up 0.7%, fairly strong here on the bank index. VIX again up on a bullish day, interesting, but not as much as what we saw yesterday, up 0.2%. Gold slightly down, silver up 0.6%, crude oil up a whopping 1.42%. And here we are looking at the US dollar flat, and the trend is at 0.8, which is nice and bullish on the close. Transportation index up 0.2, does not support the run that we had here on the Dow, so a little bit of relative weakness there. S&P daily, well, check this out. The S&P broke 1400 today, which is first time in about 3 months. One more thing about oil. Oil right now is at a 5-week, no, I'm sorry, a 12-week high, I see. Wow. Going higher, higher, higher. Alright, the S&P daily had this nice uptrend, and we're breaking out with another swing high. So we have a swing high, a higher swing high, and yet another higher swing high. So in a nice uptrend at this moment. And because of this run, I'm going to add another line right here going northbound, and I'm going to copy this line. Watch what I'm going to do here. Copy, and then I will bring it to this swing high. So this is a really steep trajectory, so I look forward to seeing if it can sustain this channel. So all eyes will be on this lower trend line, which we must stay above all these major moving averages for the markets to stay bullish. The MACD is looking quite healthy, but if you notice something here, the histogram ticks are getting smaller. That's increasing our chances of a crossover taking place. So just like here, histograms got smaller, we crossed. Histogram got smaller, we crossed. When we crossed, we dropped. When we crossed, we dropped. Same thing, histogram getting smaller. If we cross, we will be dropping, heading southbound. Here's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's looking good. Gap up run, gap up run, gap up run. I mean, NASDAQ is on fire right now. Histogram slightly going down, but more flat than anything. The Dow, on the other hand, has a major issue here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. We're at that resistance line right now. We try to break over it, then we close back down below it. So that is a problem. Histogram ticking lower, looking for a crossover. On small caps, a lot of those on our Stock Picks V newsletter, that's my Stock Picks each week, that is reflected in the Russells quite well. Have a nice pop here taking place. Gave some back. We couldn't make it to this trend line. Because we couldn't make it to that trend line, it shows some relative weakness. We are barely over the zero line down here on the MACD. So there you have it. Hope you guys can join us in a couple weekends from now for the all popular and very exciting and highly effective stock mentoring program. If you need help with your technical analysis, let us take you in under our wing and give you some help. Just go to mentor@groktrade.com for more information.